Hey, it's Jen with Sentimental Wood Art. Wanted to give you a brief update on what this video is going to be about. Now, if you've seen in the past, I've done some wooden cards on the scroll saw out of some really pretty woods. Now, you know that my husband and I got a CNC machine for Christmas, so we're going to do a comparison on what the wooden cards look like on the CNC machine versus a scroll saw. I'm only using easel at this point. I'm not quite ready to tackle Fusion 360. So the cards are going to be a little more simple than what I'm used to, but we'll see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I did for a birthday card. I just took the stock images in easel and created my own design out of those images. So let's get to the CNC and see what this looks like. Getting ready to do another round of wooden birthday cards. Also going to try an anniversary card. Trying to fit all of this stuff on a skinny piece of wood. Then I'm going to double face tape a couple of them together. Say hello to my cat. She always likes to make an appearance. So this is a start. I'm hoping it can be like 5 or 6 different birthday cards. I just cut this out on the CNC. Turned out pretty. Now I'm going to stain it a barnwood gray, thinking about maybe the flowers pink, this green, and this black. We'll see how that goes. Say hello to my cat. She always has to greet you.